Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help?
Yes.
Please be seated. Please state your name for the record. Spell your first and last names.
Bridgette Morgan, Bridgettemorgan.
Ms. Morgan, good afternoon. Let me provide you with some information and instructions which I give to every witness in every case. First of all, please sit back and relax. Secondly, please speak loudly so everybody can hear you. Thirdly, if you're called upon to provide a yes or no answer to a question, use those terms rather than slang which can be confusing. And lastly, please wait until you hear an entire question before you answer it. In our daily lives, many of us are used to interrupting each other because we think we know the question before we hear the whole question. In court, we need to hear it first before we answer. Is that all right?
Okay.
Thank you. Direct, Ms. Brazil.
Good afternoon, Ms. Morgan.
Good afternoon.
Do you recognize the defendant seated here in court, Conrad Murray?
Yes.
Indicating the defendant.
Did you meet Conrad Murray in 2003?
Yes.
Now, did you meet him in a social setting?
Yes.
And the two of you formed a relationship?
Yes.
You have been in...
I'll sustain the objection. The partial answer is stricken disregard. Can we find the question, please?
Ms. Morgan, after you met Conrad Murray, did you maintain a friendship or some sort of relationship with him to the present time of 2009?
Yes.
And in 2009, specifically in June of 2009, did you have a conversation with Conrad Murray wherein he told you that he was Michael Jackson's personal physician?
Yes.
Sometime after Conrad Murray revealed to you or shared with you that he was Michael Jackson's personal physician, did you call him on the telephone on June 25th of 2009?
Yes.
Ms. Morgan, did you call Dr. Murray's cell phone at 11:26 a.m. on June 25th, 2009?
Yes.
And your telephone number at the time was 310-590-9566. Is that correct?
Yes.
Did you speak with Conrad Murray when you called him at 11:26 on June 25th, 2009?
No.
Do you recall whether or not he picked up his telephone? Did he answer it?
No, he didn't answer.
Thank you, Ms. Morgan. I have no further questions.
Ms. Brazil, thank you. Mr. Chernoff, cross-exam, please. Ms. Morgan, where do you live?
In Los Angeles.
And how long have you lived here?
Since 1998.
Thank you. No other questions. Mr. Chernoff, thank you. Redirect, Ms. Brazil.
Yes. Ms. Morgan, when you met Conrad Murray in 2003, did you meet him in Las Vegas?
Yes.
Thank you. Nothing further.
Thank you. Recross, Mr. Chernoff?
No, thanks.
Thank you. May Ms. Morgan be excused, Ms. Brazil?
Yes?
Mr. Chernoff?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Morgan, thank you for your testimony. Please don't discuss it or the facts of the case with any other witness until we finish the trial. You may step down and leave. You are excused. Thank you. May I see counsel?